Welcome to ABB Large Motors and Generators Factory in Estonia at our Yuri 1 campus. Here in ABB, sustainability in our business is really important for us. Therefore, we are really happy to introduce to you our solar plant implemented in Estonia. Newly built solar plant serves ABB's Motors and Generators Factory to run more sustainable and greener production.
In large motors and generators, we are contributing to sustainability and saving energy by our technology-leading product offering. Being one of the biggest production units here in Estonia, we also want to lead the way for carbon-neutral operations. For us, this means solar plant, what is now fully functional. Solar plant will also reduce our dependency on the electricity available from the external grid and also protect us against the price fluctuation. By combining our product offering and our focus on sustainability in our operations, we are having a major contribution to lowering global emissions and greener industry.
As mentioned earlier, our products help to keep our industries and our living environment more sustainable. Let's have a look at our production here in Estonia. Together with our colleagues in Finland, we play an important part in manufacturing the most efficient motors and generators of the entire ABB group. Our annual production volumes are about 1,500 machines. Here in Yuri, we manufacture components for high-voltage induction motors and generators powered by gas and steam turbines, gas and diesel engines, and wind turbines. Our components are sent to Helsinki for final assembly and testing. We are very proud of our contribution of keeping the world turning while saving energy every day.
Here in Estonia, ABB is one of the biggest employers on the market. Our Motors and Generators factory is one of the 2 ABB factories in Estonia. And in our production unit, we employ approximately 400 people.
I feel proud to be a part of the company what is having a significant impact on the future of our planet.